K. Charantha Reddy. I'm pursuing my stream of engineering computer science in Sri Ramanjan Institution of Technology. I came here to flash a light on the topic role and scope of environmental engineering, subject name basic civil and mechanical engineering. First of all, introduction environmental engineering. Environmental engineering is a branch of engineering focused on protecting environment. Whereas environmental is nothing but how engineering is working to protect the nature by reducing waste and pollution. It is combination principles from various disciplines including chemistry, biology, and where we are taking an environmental engineering, it was adapted by chemistry, biology, and geology. The ultimate goals is create a suitable solution environmental challenges. Now we talk about the historical concepts. The field environmental engineering embraced in the response to industrialization and urbanization. Early efforts where we considered on water air qualities management. Over time, the scope has been expanded to including waste management, soil remediation, and ecosystem restoration. Now we'll talk about key responsibilities of environmental engineering. Environmental engineering is a design systems for waste treatments and pollution control. The condensed environmental impact assessment to evaluate potential effects of projects. Collaboration with government agencies, stakeholders, and external and commercial. Now we'll talk about the water resources management. Environmental engineering develops stats and suitability, water, sustainable water supply and quality management. The design of implement treatment process of drinking and wastewater. Water conservation is smart water management or soil cultural areas and fun. Air quality management. Now we'll talk about it. Ensuring compliance with air quality standards is a primary responsibility for environmental engineering. The developed technology of target is reduce emission industrial sources. Monitoring and modeling air population is an description and extensively effective management. Now we'll talk about the waste management of the soil, how the oil was wasting by the management. Environmental engineering created systems for the safe collection, treatment, and disposal of the waste. The promotive recycling and waste minimization techniques to reduce landfill use. Hydration waste management is a curricular area reporting a specialized knowledge study. Now we'll talk about soil and groundwater remediation. Contaminated site or remediation circular functions of environmental engineering. The techniques what we are using to the soil and groundwater remediation is the techniques such as bermation, pythonization, and employed or restore ecosystems. Now, groundwater protections targets are extended safe ground drinking water resource. Now, we will take that the safe water underground is safe for the drinking purpose. Is not and anything will be done that by civil engineer. Climate change and mitigation. Environmental engineering plays a virtual role. And where we are talking about the environmental engineering makes a key role in the engineering of the environmental. Virtual role is to develop strategies and combat climate. He will be build or an external of water and etc. etc. What the condition by done by the environmental engineering means, he will be take over by all climate condition to according to him about the soil, water, and etc. etc. It will be made a sustainable development. The designing systems that reduce greenhouse gas, where the environmental engineering how he builds according to this is manner, the sustainability development is developed and the greenhouse gases will be reduced. Whole thing is based on the civil engineer emissions and ancient engineering efforts. Addition starts from efficiency relations and regulation becomes part of the regulator form framework and compliance. Environmental engineering must graduate a complex landscape of environmental irrigation. They ensure that projects commonly with local, state, or federal or environmental laws. Advisory storage stranger environmental police is also part of their professional and responsible. Future trends of environmental engineering. The education of technology of innovation shopping of the future environmental engineering. Emerging fields such as sustainable energy and green transportation gain importance. Focus on the interdependent collaboration will be taken by addressing global environmental challenging. Thank you for giving this kind of opportunity to talk in front of you.